In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Zoom in 3 minutes. By the end, your Pipedrive and Zoom accounts will be talking to each other so you can streamline scheduling and keep meeting activity right where your deals live. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Pipedrive account in a desktop browser and that you have access to the Zoom account you want to connect. If your company has admin controls on either platform, you may need approval to complete the connection. Having both tabs ready can save you a bit of time. Start in Pipedrive. Look toward the top right of your screen and click on My Apps. This is your hub for managing anything you've installed and a quick path to discovering new integrations. From there, select Browse Marketplace. That opens Pipedrive's official catalog of apps. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zoom Meetings by Pipedrive. This is the native integration built to connect Pipedrive with Zoom reliably. Click into the Zoom Meetings by Pipedrive listing to view details like what it can access and what it helps you do. When you're ready, click Authorize. You'll be guided through a short, secure flow that explains the permissions requested so Pipedrive can create and manage Zoom meetings on your behalf. Next, choose the Pipedrive company and the user you want to connect with Zoom. This is important if you're part of multiple organizations or managing more than one seat. Confirm the correct company, select the appropriate user, then allow and install the integration. This installs the app in your Pipedrive workspace and prepares it to link with Zoom. You'll now be asked to log in and authorize on your Zoom account as well. If you're already signed in, Zoom may simply request confirmation. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your Zoom credentials and approve the requested permissions. Make sure you're using the Zoom account that matches your work context so meetings and recordings end up where you expect. Once authorization completes on both sides, you're all set. You should see confirmation in Pipedrive, and the integration will be listed under My Apps. From here on, you can create Zoom meetings right from Pipedrive. Keep meeting details synced with your deals, and reduce switching between tools. If you ever run into access messages, check with your admin or confirm that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the authorization. That's it. Quick, secure, and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your